making?
I'm making lettuce and cream cheese and bagels and lettuce on it and cream cheese for the baby there.
Yeah.
I'm making a tea party.
Did you cook it yet in the oven?
Yeah.
Show me how you'll put it in the oven and push the buttons.
First we have to do this.
Okay. Can I see what's in your pan? Oops.
This is going to be
Oh,
now.
that looks delicious. There's hot dogs and french fries.
We have to do it again. So, wait. Oops, I spilled it. Actually, no. Putting it back here. It's going to be really hot.
Okay, be careful.